Yeah, me neither.
I looked it up. I couldn't find anything. So.
And he buys two.
Sounds like I know. Sounds like
he
he makes some
also said
stuff.
there's 2 portals there in the hallway too.
He said that?
Yeah.
I would take it with a grain of salt.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I take everything.
So in this bedroom, we got a hello.
Yeah.
Was it? Do you think it's a male voice or a female voice?
Male.
Male. Okay.
Yeah. And
so.
then I heard a woman out there.
Yeah.
Anna. She responded to Anna.
Yeah.
So I did several attempts to get an EVP, and that's the EVP. I think that was the seventh try. Okay, I'll try one more.
He got Will, he got Anna, so we got her to Anna. So
okay, here we go. Here we go. Do you want to say something, Ryan?
Is there a spirit named William or Will here? Can you speak into his device he's holding, please? You want to say something, Ryan? Is there a spirit named William or Will here? Can you speak into his device he's holding, please?
There's like little gibberish. Yeah, I can't tell either.
I can't tell.
Yeah. Let me tell him to be quiet. Yeah.
Getting flashbacks of my friend last night.
Hey guys, we're gonna try to get an EVP. If I can just have a moment of silence. Okay.
You know, I can flip off my box here.
No, that's fine.
Sure?
I could tell.
I can kind of tell what's what.
Yeah. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay, close the door.
Oh, of course Benson has to come in.
Benson. Okay, here we go. If you want to say something, please talk to us. Let us know that you're here. If you want to say something, please talk to us. Let us know that you're here.
Oh, I heard something there. Like breathing or...
Was that me breathing?
Most likely.
Try it again. But I don't remember breathing that hard.
So 1.1, 1.5? I don't know if it's...
It wasn't doing that earlier?
No, look.
Oh, maybe it's my phone now.
Huh.
Wait, back up. No, there's something there. Whoever it was jumping around.
No, that's probably my phone. Yeah, it's my phone.
Okay, let's listen to this one more time. If you want to say something, please talk to us. Let us know that you're here.
Yes.
Yes.
I think that's her breathing.
Okay. Okay, let's do
I would try the Will William thing again. I mean, he might be onto something with that, since we got the other name.
Okay. You say something, Ryan?
Will or William, or if you have some other nickname you go by, can you speak into this recorder that Paul is holding? Are you,
I just stopped it.
Say something, right? Will or William, or if you have some other nickname you go by, can you speak into this recorder that Paul is holding?
Nope.
All I hear is him,
Yeah, I can hear him chomping.
Okay.
I just wish he'd get some more validation.
Yeah.
What about this room? Did you try this one?
Not yet.
Can you turn it down maybe just a little bit?
Yeah.
Thank you.
It will do that if you walk by it.